The dust is red, fine, like powdered rust. It coats my boots as I stand here on Mars. Above me the sky isn't the familiar blue but a pale, dusty orange. It's a sight that humanity has dreamed of for generations. And now, it's real. For centuries we looked to the stars and wondered, what secrets did they hold? What mysteries were waiting to be unraveled? And none shone brighter or held more allure than Mars. Mars has always held a special place in our imagination. From the earliest days of human history, this red planet has captured our curiosity and inspired countless stories and theories. Its distinct reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, has made it a standout object in the night sky. It's the planet next door, after all. Just a stone's throw away in the vast expanse of space, Mars has been a constant companion to Earth, orbiting the Sun in its own unique path. Its proximity has made it a prime target for exploration and study, a celestial neighbor, visible to the naked eye. On clear nights Mars shines brightly, a beacon of mystery and potential. Its presence has been a source of wonder for generations, sparking questions about what lies on its surface and what secrets it holds. Ancient civilizations tracked its fiery path across the sky. They meticulously recorded its movements, noting its retrograde motion and its periodic brightness. These early astronomers were fascinated by Mars, and their observations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of the planet. They wove stories about its nature, imbuing it with gods and monsters. In Roman mythology, Mars was the god of war, a fitting symbol for a planet that seemed to burn with an inner fire. Other cultures had their own interpretations, each adding to the rich tapestry of Mars's mythological significance. As we built telescopes, our fascination deepened. With each new advancement in technology, we were able to see Mars in greater detail. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century marked a turning point in our study of the planet, revealing features that had previously been hidden from view. We saw polar ice caps that waxed and waned with the seasons. These observations suggested that Mars, like Earth, experienced seasonal changes. The presence of ice caps hinted at the possibility of water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. We observed channels that hinted at ancient rivers. These dry riverbeds suggested that Mars may have once had liquid water flowing on its surface. This discovery fueled speculation about the planet's past and its potential to support life. And we dared to dream that maybe, just maybe, we weren't alone in the universe. The possibility of life on Mars has been a driving force behind much of our exploration efforts. From the early days of telescopic observations to the modern era of robotic missions, the quest to uncover the mysteries of Mars continues to captivate our imagination and drive our scientific endeavors. Why Mars? This red planet has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike for generations. Why not Venus, with its thick atmosphere, scorching surface temperatures and crushing pressure? Or Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, with its icy crust and tantalizing subsurface ocean that might harbor life? The answer lies in the unique potential that Mars holds for exploration and discovery. Unlike Venus, Mars has a more temperate climate and a surface that we can explore with rovers and potentially human missions. Mars is a planet that may have once been very much like our own. Evidence suggests that it had liquid water, a thicker atmosphere, and perhaps even conditions suitable for life. Ancient river channels and lake beds hint at a wetter, warmer past. By studying Mars, we can peer back in time and understand the processes that shaped not only Mars but also Earth. This knowledge can help us learn about the evolution of planets in our solar system and beyond. The data collected by Mars rovers and orbiters provide invaluable insights into the planet's geology, climate, and potential for life. These missions help us piece together the history of Mars and its transformation over billions of years. And if we find evidence of past or present life on Mars, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. It would suggest that life is not unique to Earth and could exist elsewhere in the universe. Such a discovery would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It would raise new questions about the origins of life and the potential for life on other planets and moons in our solar system and beyond. Mars beckons us not just as a destination for exploration, but as a key to unlocking the mysteries of life and the universe itself. Getting to Mars is no easy feat. The journey is long, lasting at least 6 months, and it's fraught with danger. Cosmic radiation poses a constant threat, so do micrometeoroids hurtling through space at incredible speeds. Then there's the landing. The Martian atmosphere is thin, offering little resistance. We need to develop sophisticated systems for slowing down and touching down safely. Section 5. A harsh and alien world. Mars is a hostile world. The atmosphere is thin, offering little protection from the sun's radiation. Temperatures fluctuate wildly, and there's no breathable air. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet, blocking out the sun for months. The soil is toxic, and water, while present, is locked away as ice beneath the surface. Section 6. Engineering a second home. But these challenges also present opportunities. We are developing innovative technologies to overcome them. Imagine inflatable habitats shielded from radiation and insulated against the cold. Picture rovers extracting water from the Martian soil. We can use Martian resources to create fuel and oxygen. Greenhouses could provide fresh food. We can transform this alien world into a second home for humanity. Section 7. The rise of private spaceflight. Private companies like SpaceX are playing a pivotal role in this endeavor. They're driving down the cost of space travel. They're developing reusable rockets that can ferry cargo and eventually people to Mars. This new era of space exploration is characterized by innovation, ambition, and a boldness of vision. It's a testament to the human spirit, our drive to explore the unknown and push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 8. A unified Martian dream. The journey to Mars is not one that any single nation can undertake alone. It requires global cooperation, a shared vision for the future of humanity. Space agencies and private companies are working together, pooling their resources and expertise. This is a testament to the power of collaboration, and it speaks to the universal appeal of space exploration. It's something that unites us, regardless of our differences here on Earth. With the vision of human expansion into the solar system and beyond. The spirit of exploration that brought us to Mars will continue to drive us forward to new worlds and new adventures. 2025 and beyond is not just a chapter in a book, it is the dawn of a new era. An era where Mars is not just a destination but a new home for humanity. A hopeful future built on the foundations of exploration, curiosity, and the unbreakable. The cosmos beckons us, calling out with its infinite mysteries and boundless possibilities. For centuries humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of reaching beyond our world. Ancient civilizations mapped the heavens, and astronomers throughout history have sought to understand our place in the universe. Now, that dream is closer than ever. With each passing year, our technology advances, bringing us nearer to the stars. Mars, our red neighbor, holds the promise of becoming humanity's second home. Its barren landscapes and thin atmosphere present challenges, but also opportunities for discovery and growth. It's a challenging endeavor, fraught with difficulties, but the rewards are immeasurable. The potential to unlock new scientific knowledge and to ensure the survival of our species is within our grasp. Imagine, humans walking on another planet, building a new society, expanding our knowledge and reach beyond Earth. The vision of a thriving Martian colony is no longer just science fiction. This is the future we are striving for, a future where humanity is a multi-planetary species, exploring the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The journey to Mars will test our limits. It will require unprecedented levels of cooperation, innovation, and determination. We must develop new technologies, overcome harsh conditions, and learn to live in a completely alien environment. The challenges are immense, but so are the potential rewards. But this challenge is precisely what makes it so compelling. The pursuit of knowledge and the drive to explore are fundamental aspects of the human spirit. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that drives us. From the first steps on the moon to the future steps on Mars, our journey continues. Just as our ancestors crossed oceans and conquered mountains, we will now set our sights on the stars. The next great adventure awaits, and we are ready to embrace it. Mars may seem like a barren wasteland, but beneath its rusty surface lies a hidden treasure regolith. Regolith, the loose, dusty material covering Mars, is more than just dirt. It's a potential gold mine for building materials. Rich in iron oxide, the very substance that gives Mars its reddish hue, regolith can be processed to create bricks, concrete, and even metal alloys. Imagine Martian cities rising from the red dust, built with the very fabric of the planet. This approach not only solves the problem of limited resources on a new world but also reduces our reliance on costly and complex supply chains from Earth. By utilizing the resources already present on Mars, we take a giant leap towards sustainable living on another planet. Building with regolith won't be easy. Traditional construction methods designed for Earth's gravity and atmosphere won't work on Mars. We need innovative solutions, and that's where 3D printing comes in. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, allows us to create complex structures layer by layer using computer-aided designs. On Mars, 3D printers can use regolith as their ink, extruding it layer upon layer to create walls, foundations, and even entire habitats. This technology offers several advantages. It's automated, reducing the need for manual labor in a hazardous environment. It's highly adaptable, allowing for customized designs to suit specific needs and locations. And it's incredibly efficient, minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. 3D printing with regolith holds the key to building durable and sustainable habitats on Mars. The Martian atmosphere is thin and unbreathable for humans. Composed mainly of carbon dioxide, it lacks the life-giving oxygen we need to survive. But this challenge is not insurmountable. Scientists are developing ingenious ways to create breathable air on Mars. One promising method is through the process of electrolysis. By using electricity to split water molecules into their constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen, we can generate breathable oxygen right there on Mars. Another approach involves harnessing Martian resources. Certain types of Martian rocks, when heated, can release oxygen trapped within their mineral structure. By developing efficient extraction methods, we can tap into this potential source of breathable air. Creating a sustainable oxygen supply is crucial for long-term human habitation on Mars. Section 5. The Blue Heart of Mars. Finding and utilizing water. Water is the essence of life, and its presence on Mars is both a challenge and an opportunity. Water is the elixir of life, essential for survival, growth, and development. Without it, life as we know it cannot exist. And while Mars may appear dry and dusty, it harbors vast reserves of water ice beneath its surface. These hidden treasures are crucial for sustaining human life on the red planet. These subterranean glaciers and permafrost layers represent a lifeline for future Martian settlers. They offer a potential source of water that can be tapped into with the right technology. By developing technologies to extract and purify this water ice, we can unlock a vital resource for drinking, agriculture, and even rocket fuel production. This will be a game changer for long-term missions and colonization. But finding water is just the first step. The real challenge lies in making it usable and sustainable for everyday needs. We need to develop efficient and sustainable ways to utilize it. This involves setting up advanced water purification systems that can handle the unique challenges posed by the Martian environment. Closed-loop life support systems will be crucial for recycling and reusing water within Martian habitats, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. These systems will ensure that every drop of water is used to its fullest potential. These systems will purify wastewater, capture and condense humidity, and even utilize plants to recycle water through transpiration. This holistic approach will create a sustainable water cycle on Mars. Water is the foundation of life, and on Mars, it will be the cornerstone of a sustainable human presence. By mastering the art of finding and utilizing water, we pave the way for a thriving Martian colony. Section 6. A Martian garden cultivating food on an alien planet. Imagine biting into a fresh, juicy tomato grown under the Martian sky. It may seem like science fiction, but cultivating food on Mars is within our reach. While the Martian soil lacks the nutrients found in Earth's soil, we can enrich it with fertilizers and supplements. Hydroponics and aeroponics, methods of growing plants without soil, offer promising alternatives. These systems use nutrient-rich water solutions to deliver essential nutrients directly to plant roots, eliminating the need for traditional soil-based agriculture. Martian greenhouses, bathed in artificial sunlight and protected from the harsh environment, will become oases of life, providing sustenance and psychological well-being for Martian settlers. Section 7. The invisible threat protecting Martian settlers from radiation. Space is a harsh mistress. Beyond the protective embrace of Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field, we face a constant bombardment of harmful radiation. On Mars, this radiation poses a significant threat to human health. Prolonged exposure can damage cells, increase cancer risk, and lead to various health complications. Therefore, protecting Martian settlers from radiation is paramount. Building habitats underground or within existing Martian caves offers natural shielding from radiation. Utilizing regolith in construction also provides a degree of protection. Additionally, developing advanced shielding materials and technologies will be crucial for mitigating radiation exposure during surface activities and transportation. Section 8. The Martian Express, transporting humans and cargo to the Red Planet. Reaching Mars is a monumental undertaking. It requires overcoming the vast distances, harsh conditions, and complex logistics of interplanetary travel. Developing powerful and reusable spacecraft is essential for transporting humans and cargo to the Red Planet. Imagine massive spacecraft powered by advanced propulsion systems, capable of carrying hundreds of passengers and tons of supplies on a one-way journey to Mars. But it's not just about getting there, it's also about establishing a sustainable transportation infrastructure. We need to develop efficient methods for in-situ resource utilization, using Martian resources to generate fuel, water, and other essential supplies. This will reduce our reliance on Earth and pave the way for a permanent human presence on Mars. Section 9. Building a Future on Mars, a testament to human ingenuity. The journey to Mars is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity. It represents our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. It demands collaboration across disciplines, from aerospace engineering to material science, from robotics to agriculture. Each field contributes its unique expertise to overcome the myriad challenges of interplanetary travel and colonization. It requires pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, developing cutting-edge technologies, and embracing innovative solutions. From creating sustainable habitats to ensuring reliable food sources, every aspect of life on Mars must be meticulously planned and executed. But more than anything, it requires a shared vision, a collective dream of what humanity can achieve when we work together. This vision unites us, driving us to overcome obstacles and reach for the stars, a belief in our ability to achieve the extraordinary. The challenges are daunting, from the harsh Martian environment to the technical difficulties of sustaining life so far from Earth. But the rewards are immeasurable. The successful establishment of a human presence on Mars would be a monumental achievement, a testament to our resilience and ingenuity. Building a future on Mars is not just about escaping Earth's problems. It's about embracing the opportunity to create a new society, one that learns from past mistakes and strives for a better future. It's about embracing the opportunity to create a new society, one that values knowledge, sustainability, and the spirit of exploration. A society that prioritizes the well-being of its inhabitants and the health of its environment. One that values knowledge, sustainability, and the spirit of exploration. It's about creating a place where innovation thrives and where humanity can continue to grow and evolve. And the spirit of exploration. It's about ensuring the survival of our species and expanding our reach into the cosmos. By establishing a presence on Mars, we take the first steps toward becoming a multi-planetary species. It's about ensuring the survival of our species and expanding our reach into the cosmos. It's about safeguarding the future of humanity by diversifying our habitats beyond Earth, and expanding our reach into the cosmos. By doing so, we not only secure our survival but also open up new possibilities for discovery and growth. It's about becoming a multi-planetary species and securing a future for humanity among the stars. This vision drives us forward, inspiring generations to come, and securing a future for humanity among the stars. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary, and ensure that our legacy continues to shine brightly in the vast expanse of space. Red Dust Dreams, touchdown on Mars. The spaceship rumbles, its fiery descent leaving a trail in the thin Martian atmosphere. The heat shields glow as they protect the craft from the intense friction. Inside, the first Martian colonists grip their seats, hearts pounding with anticipation and fear. The craft touches down, kicking up a cloud of red dust. The vibrations of the landing reverberate through their bodies, a tangible reminder of the journey's end. A cheer erupts, a mix of relief and exhilaration. After months of travel, they are home. The journey had been long and arduous, filled with moments of doubt and hope. Now they stand on the brink of a new chapter in human history. Stepping out onto the red soil, they feel a strange mix of awe and vulnerability. The ground beneath their feet is firm yet foreign, a stark contrast to the familiar Earth they left behind. Each step is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The air is thin and cold, the silence almost deafening. The vast emptiness of the Martian landscape stretches out before them, a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. Every breath they take is a reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. Above them, a pale pink sky stretches across a horizon of canyons and volcanoes. The Martian sky with its unique hue is unlike anything they have ever seen. It is both beautiful and alien, a constant reminder of their distance from Earth. This is it. This is their new world, a world filled with potential and peril. They are pioneers, tasked with the monumental challenge of turning this barren land into a thriving habitat. Their mission? To survive and build a new home for humanity. They begin by setting up their habitat, a safe haven against the harsh Martian environment. Every piece of equipment, every structure they erect, is a step towards a sustainable future. The road ahead is long, but their determination is unwavering. Together they will carve out a new existence on this red planet, one filled with hope, discovery, and endless possibilities. The Red Planet. A harsh reality. Mars welcomes its new inhabitants with open arms, but it's a harsh embrace. The air is thin, almost unbreathable for humans. Temperatures swing wildly from a scorching day to a freezing night. The landscape, while breathtaking, is a barren desert, devoid of the life-giving resources we take for granted on Earth. Dust storms, some bigger than continents, can engulf the planet, blocking out the sun for months. Radiation from space, unfiltered by a thick atmosphere, constantly bombards the surface. Every step outside their protective habitats is a risk, a constant reminder of the unforgiving nature of their new home. Seeds of hope. Farming on Mars. Survival on Mars means becoming farmers, cultivating life in this barren land. But Martian soil, lacking the nutrients of Earth, presents a unique challenge. Water, scarce and frozen beneath the surface, must be extracted and purified. The colonists will rely on hydroponics, growing plants in nutrient-rich water solutions, and aeroponics, misting roots with a nutrient spray. Greenhouses, bathed in artificial sunlight, will become oases of life, producing food and recycling precious oxygen. Each sprout represents hope, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt. Light as a feather, living with low gravity. On Mars, gravity is a mere whisper compared to Earth's firm grip. This low gravity affects everything from how they walk to how their bodies function. Muscles, used to Earth's pull, will weaken. Bones, accustomed to bearing weight, may become brittle. To combat these effects, colonists will need rigorous exercise routines and specialized equipment. Their habitats will likely incorporate artificial gravity systems, spinning to simulate Earth's pull. Adapting to low gravity is crucial, not just for their physical health but for their long-term survival. Living on a red planet, millions of miles from home, presents unique psychological challenges. The isolation, the confinement, the constant awareness of the hostile environment outside, it all takes a toll. The lack of familiar sights, sounds, and smells of Earth can lead to homesickness, depression, and anxiety. Maintaining strong social connections, both within the colony and with loved ones back on Earth, is vital. Virtual reality technology can provide a much-needed escape, allowing colonists to revisit familiar places and experiences. Mental health will be as important as physical health for the well-being of the colony. Section 6. Martian ingenuity, using local resources. To thrive on Mars, the colonists can't rely solely on supplies from Earth. They must learn to live off the land, to utilize the resources available to them. One such resource is water ice, hidden beneath the surface. This ice, once extracted, can be melted into drinking water and used for irrigation. The Martian soil, though poor in nutrients, can be enriched with fertilizers and used for growing crops. The thin atmosphere can be processed to extract nitrogen for plant growth and oxygen for breathing. Survival on Mars hinges on resourcefulness, on turning challenges into opportunities. Explore, we innovate, we survive. Section 8. The Martian spirit overcoming challenges. The spirit of exploration, the drive to push beyond the known, is deeply ingrained in our DNA. It is this very spirit that has driven humanity to achieve the impossible, to venture into the unknown, and to seek out new frontiers. From the earliest days of our existence, we have been explorers, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a relentless desire to understand the world around us. It's what led our ancestors out of Africa, across oceans and continents. They braved the vast, uncharted waters, guided only by the stars and their unyielding determination. These early explorers faced countless challenges, from treacherous weather to unknown lands, yet they persevered, driven by the hope of discovering new horizons and the promise of a better future. It's what propelled us to the moon, and now, to Mars. The Apollo missions were a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective effort. They showed us that with determination, innovation, and teamwork, we could achieve what once seemed impossible. Now, as we set our sights on Mars, we carry forward this legacy of exploration and discovery. This spirit, this unyielding curiosity, is what will sustain the Martian colonists. They will build their homes on the red planet, create new communities, and forge a new path for humanity. Their journey will be fraught with challenges, but it is this very spirit that will see them through the toughest of times. They will face moments of doubt, of fear, of longing for Earth. The vast distance from their home planet, the isolation, and the harsh conditions of Mars will test their resolve. They will miss the familiar sights, sounds, and comforts of Earth, and there will be times when the weight of their mission feels overwhelming. But they will also experience the exhilaration of discovery, the joy of finding water on Mars, the excitement of uncovering new resources, and the thrill of scientific breakthroughs. Each discovery will be a reminder of why they embarked on this journey in the first place, and it will fuel their determination to keep pushing forward. The satisfaction of overcoming obstacles, the pride in solving technical issues, and the camaraderie that comes from working together as a team. These moments of triumph will strengthen their bonds and reinforce their commitment to their mission. The awe of standing on a new world and calling it home, the sight of the Martian landscape, the realization that they are pioneers on a new frontier will be a source of inspiration and wonder. They will plant their flag on Mars, not just as a symbol of their achievement, but as a testament to the enduring human spirit. Their journey will be a testament to the indomitable human spirit, a story of resilience, courage, and hope. It will be a reminder that no matter how great the challenges we face, we have the capacity to overcome them and to reach for the stars, a beacon of hope for a brighter future. The Martian colony will stand as a symbol of what we can achieve when we come together with a shared vision and a common purpose. It will inspire future generations to dream big, to push the boundaries of what is possible, and to continue the legacy of exploration and discovery. Section 9. A giant leap for humanity, the importance of Mars. Why Mars? Why venture to this distant, unforgiving world, a place so different from our own? The answer lies in our future, in the very essence of what it means to be human. We are explorers, innovators, and dreamers. Mars represents the next frontier, a challenge that calls to our innate desire to push boundaries and explore the unknown. The answer lies in our future. Mars is not just another planet, it is a symbol of hope and resilience. It is a place where we can test our limits, where we can learn to adapt and survive in an environment that is both harsh and beautiful. Earth, though our cradle, cannot be our only home. Our planet, with its finite resources and growing population, faces numerous challenges. Climate change, natural disasters, and other existential threats remind us of the fragility of our existence here. To ensure the long-term survival of our species, we must look beyond our home planet. We must explore, expand, and ensure the survival of our species beyond the confines of our pale blue dot. Mars offers us a unique opportunity to do just that. By establishing a presence on Mars, we can create a backup plan for humanity, a second home where we can continue to thrive even if disaster strikes on Earth. Mars is a stepping stone, a proving ground for our ability to live and thrive beyond Earth. It is a place where we can develop new technologies, test new strategies, and learn valuable lessons that will be crucial for future space exploration. The challenges we face on Mars will prepare us for even greater adventures, such as traveling to the outer planets or even other star systems. The technologies we develop, the lessons we learn on Mars will pave the way for further exploration, for reaching out to the stars. From advanced life support systems to new methods of growing food in hostile environments, the innovations we create on Mars will have far-reaching implications, not just for space travel, but for life on Earth as well. This is not just about colonizing another planet. It's about securing the future of humanity. It's about ensuring that we have a place to go if Earth becomes uninhabitable. It's about creating new opportunities for growth, for discovery, and for the betterment of all humankind. It's about daring to dream big, to reach for the impossible, and in doing so, discovering the boundless potential that lies within us all. Mars is more than a destination. It is a testament to our spirit of exploration, our resilience, and our unwavering belief in a brighter future. By setting our sights on Mars, we are not just reaching for the stars, we are reaching for our destiny in the power of human potential. Every experiment, every test, brings us one step closer to overcoming the challenges of living on Mars. But the rewards, both tangible and intangible, make it a journey worth taking. The successful establishment of a human presence on Mars will not only be a monumental achievement but also a beacon of hope and inspiration for future generations. It will remind us that no dream is too big, no goal too far, and that with determination and perseverance we can turn the impossible into reality. Our current forays onto Mars may seem modest compared to the bustling city of our future, but they are crucial stepping stones. These initial missions, though small in scale, are laying the groundwork for something much larger and more ambitious. They represent the first steps in a long journey towards establishing a permanent human presence on the red planet. Each rover that traverses the Martian surface, each wheel that turns in the red dust, is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. These rovers are our pioneers, exploring the unknown and sending back invaluable data. Each probe that analyzes its thin atmosphere, each instrument that measures the Martian winds and weather patterns, brings us closer to understanding the challenges and opportunities that await us. The thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere of Mars presents unique challenges for human habitation, but it also offers clues about the planet's past and its potential for supporting life. We are like surveyors charting an unfamiliar territory, gathering vital information that will guide the construction of our future Martian home. Every rock sample collected, every soil analysis performed, adds to our growing body of knowledge about this alien world. The data we collect today will dictate the design of our habitats, ensuring they are safe, sustainable, and capable of supporting human life. Engineers and architects are already using this data to create detailed models of what our future homes on Mars might look like. The efficiency of our resource utilization is another critical factor. On Mars, every drop of water, every breath of air must be carefully managed. Technologies that allow us to recycle and reuse resources will be essential for our survival. And ultimately, the success of our colonization efforts will depend on our ability to adapt and innovate. The vision of a thriving Martian colony with bustling cities and greenhouses filled with crops is within our reach if we continue to build on the groundwork we are laying today. The lessons learned from missions like those undertaken by Perseverance and Curiosity are invaluable. These rovers have already made significant discoveries, from finding evidence of ancient water flows to detecting organic molecules that could hint at past life. We are learning to navigate the Martian terrain, understanding its challenges and hazards. The rocky, uneven surface of Mars presents unique obstacles, but each mission helps us develop better techniques and technologies for exploration. Analyzing the composition of its soil is another key aspect of our research. By studying the minerals and chemicals in Martian soil, we can learn more about the planet's history and its potential for supporting life. And even extracting water from its frozen reserves is a critical capability. Water is essential for life, and finding ways to access and utilize Martian water sources will be crucial for our long-term survival on the planet. These are not mere scientific curiosities, they are the building blocks of a future Martian civilization. Each discovery, each technological advancement brings us one step closer to making Mars a second home for humanity. The knowledge we're acquiring is not limited to the physical characteristics of Mars. We are also learning about the planet's climate, its geological history, and its potential for supporting life. This information is crucial for planning future missions and for designing habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment. We're also studying the psychological effects of long-duration space travel. Living on Mars will be a challenging experience, both physically and mentally. Understanding how isolation and confinement affect the human mind is essential for preparing astronauts for the journey. Developing technologies to mitigate the challenges of isolation and confinement is another important area of research. From virtual reality systems that provide a sense of connection to Earth, to advanced communication technologies that allow for real-time interaction with loved ones, we are finding ways to support the mental health of space travelers. These are crucial considerations as we prepare humans for the mental and emotional rigors of living on another planet. The journey to Mars is not just a physical one, it is also a journey of the mind and spirit. By addressing these challenges now, we are paving the way for a successful and sustainable human presence on Mars. Transforming the red planet into a habitable world will require cutting-edge technology and innovative thinking. We must create self-sustaining environments that protect our colonists from the harsh Martian elements while providing them with the essentials for life. One promising solution lies in biodomes, large enclosed structures that mimic Earth's biosphere. Within these domes we can cultivate crops, generate oxygen and regulate temperature and humidity. Imagine stepping out of your Martian apartment and into a lush green park, complete with babbling brooks and the scent of blooming flowers. This is the potential of biodome technology. But our ambitions extend beyond simply surviving on Mars. We aim to terraform the planet, gradually transforming its atmosphere and climate to resemble Earth's. This is a long-term endeavor, but the early stages are within our reach. By introducing specific algae and bacteria to the Martian environment, we can trigger a chain reaction that releases trapped carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, thickening it and creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. This in turn could melt the polar ice caps, releasing more water into the environment and further accelerating the terraforming process. Life on Mars will be challenging, there's no denying that. The red planet presents a myriad of obstacles that we must overcome to establish a sustainable human presence. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from solar radiation, exposing inhabitants to harmful rays that can damage both technology and human health. Additionally, the gravity is only a third of Earth's, which can lead to muscle atrophy and bone density loss over time, posing significant health risks for long-term settlers. And the average temperature is a frigid -63 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest places humans have ever attempted to inhabit. But for every challenge, human ingenuity offers a solution. Our history is filled with examples of overcoming seemingly insurmountable odds through innovation and determination. To combat radiation, we can construct habitats underground or within natural cave formations, utilizing the Martian soil as a natural shield. This not only protects us from radiation, but also provides insulation against the extreme temperatures. The Martian soil, or regolith, can be used in habitat construction, offering a readily available resource that reduces the need to transport materials from Earth. Advanced materials science will lead to the development of lightweight, flexible spacesuits that provide greater mobility and protection while minimizing the effects of reduced gravity. These suits will be crucial for daily activities and exploration. And while the Martian climate may seem inhospitable, we can leverage technology to create comfortable and sustainable living conditions. Smart habitat designs will incorporate life support systems that recycle air and water, ensuring a continuous supply of these vital resources. Advanced hydroponics and vertical farming techniques will allow us to grow crops in nutrient-rich solutions, maximizing yield while minimizing water usage. These systems can be integrated into habitats, providing fresh food and contributing to the overall sustainability of the colony. By using vertical farming, we can optimize space and resources, ensuring that even in the limited confines of a Martian habitat, we can produce enough food to support the population. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are abundant on Mars, providing us with clean and sustainable energy. Solar panels can harness the power of the sun, while wind turbines can capture the energy of Martian winds. These renewable energy systems will be essential for powering habitats, life support systems, and other critical infrastructure, reducing our reliance on Earth-based resources. The challenges are significant, but they are not insurmountable. With collaboration and innovation, we can develop the technologies and strategies needed to thrive on Mars. They are, in many ways, the driving force behind our innovation and creativity. The need to solve these problems pushes us to think outside the box and come up with groundbreaking solutions. The need to overcome these obstacles will lead to the development of new technologies and approaches that will not only benefit our Martian colony, but also have profound implications for life on Earth. The advancements we make in space exploration often find applications in everyday life, driving progress and improving our quality of life. As we conduct experiments and gather data on Mars, we will gain valuable insights into planetary science, climate, and geology, expanding our understanding of the universe. Rovers and other robotic explorers will continue to play a crucial role in our exploration efforts, paving the way for human missions and providing critical information about the Martian environment. International collaboration will be key to our success on Mars. By pooling resources and expertise from around the world, we can achieve more than any single nation could on its own. The vision of a thriving human settlement on Mars is within our reach. It will require dedication, innovation, and a willingness to tackle the unknown, but the rewards will be immense. As we prepare for this next giant leap for humanity, we are reminded of the spirit of exploration that has driven us throughout history. The journey to Mars is not just about reaching a new world, it's about pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring future generations to dream big. Our efforts on Mars will not only transform the Red Planet, but also bring us closer together as a global community, united in our quest to explore the cosmos and unlock the mysteries